I spend 5 hours a day on my portfolio. That's 25 hours a week. That's a job in and of itself. If somebody walked into your office and said the same thing, what would that tell you, and what would you tell them?
Well, the knee-jerk reaction that I might have is, why are you here, or why do you need me? And a lot of times people come to the realization that 5 hours a day is taking away valuable time from other things that they would rather be doing or things that they need to be doing. And they realize that getting some help or having a second set of eyes on a portfolio might be a very good thing. And it could also be triggered by a sudden correction in the market that they didn't see coming, and that they said, oh boy, I'm spending all this time and my portfolio just took a pretty substantial hit. So that's two very common scenarios that could happen that might cause a person to come in and do that. Everybody needs some help. Everybody needs to have a sounding board for their ideas. I have clients, and I really value my clients that are heavily involved and invested in making their own decisions in terms of what they want to invest some of their money in. And so therefore, I enjoy the back and forth between myself and those clients as far as what's a suitable investment. What level of risk should you be taking at this point in your life? If the client is retired, we kind of want to have a stress test portfolio that's between 47 and 55 miles per hour. If they're sitting at 70 or more miles per hour, then in the event of a major correction, they could really get hit. And you also have to take a look at how much of the upside of the market can you capture versus how much of the downside, how much loss could you experience with the portfolio that you have. And here we're very much interested in giving a client as much of the upside as we can get for them, but we want to really manage how low that portfolio could go in the event of a correction. So working with a financial professional, not only do you get the stress test on your portfolio and a risk analysis on your portfolio, you also get the planning features, you get the independent income system, and probably most importantly, you get a diversified list of investments that will help you in the event of a correction, because sometimes it doesn't take much for the market to really start to gyrate. And I will say this, we really haven't faced that in quite a while. We've had bits and pieces of time where the markets got slapped around a little bit, but we have not been in what I would consider a full-fledged bear market for, holy cow, a long time. And really, after the 2008 meltdown, you could almost buy anything and you were going to make some money, because 2008 just was a crazy period of time where every asset class got hit. So 5 hours a day, if this person's working full time and they have a family, they really probably are realizing that their time could be better spent, and that's why bringing in somebody here at America's Retirement Headquarters would make a lot of sense, not just from an investment management standpoint, but from a planning perspective and how to put all the pieces together so that your retirement is going to be as smooth as possible.
When I look at that, I deal with a lot of people that try to do it themselves. With technology the way we have today, you can YouTube just about anything and figure out how to do some things, right? So if I needed a procedure done, like pulled a tooth, or if I needed a surgery or something, I can YouTube and YouTube and YouTube. But do I really want to do that on myself, right? Do I want to do that by myself and working 5 hours a day on this? Dave, you mentioned, if he's working, or he or she is working, or they have a family. The one thing that glares out at me, if you're spending 5 hours a day on something like that, you're not doing your 8 hours of work at your current job, or you're putting your family on the back burner. Some people are do-it-yourselfers. I mean, they like doing this stuff. It's what triggers them. It's the important things to them are their peace of mind. But let us help. Let people that are experts in the business. Dave and I both have a lot of experience. I've got 31 years myself, and I know the systems. I know the good, the bad, the ugly about Medicare, and we can help you with all of these. I can't tell you how many people come in my office and say, I've had it, I've tried to do this myself, the more I get into it, the more confused I get, and a lot of times I've dealt with people that have made the wrong decisions with their Medicare, and I can kind of help them. But if you make the wrong decision in choosing an investment, or a stock, or a financial plan that's really not best for you, if you're older, you don't get a do-over. You don't have the time to recover for something like that. So that's why we do what we do. That's why people are doctors. They have the schooling. People do what they do and are trained in it, and that's why you should reach out and if nothing else, to get another set of eyes or a second opinion to help you with that. That's what we're here for at America's Retirement Headquarters. It's one-stop shop for all of your needs, and we can help you with anything that you need.